Making money in the market has never been simpler than it is today. I have been using an indicator that has made me profits for the past year. Before this indicator, I was struggling to make money in the markets, and now I'm making profits day in, day out. I have been able to travel the world thanks to TheSignaller. Today, I'm going to walk you through a trade that I took on Ethereum, and I'm going to show you how TheSignaller gave me the alert to take this trade. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump in. So now that we're on the charts, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the indicator. So first off, indicators up here, to your invite only, click the signaler and minimize this, and then the signaler is on your chart. As you can see here, there are signals for long, which is where you would enter a buy trade, and the short is a sell signal where you would enter a sell trade. The green background shows a bullish trend and the red shows a bearish trend. Now I'm going to walk you through the Ethereum trade that I took on Sunday and I took profit just this morning, so I'm ready to show you this trade now. So I've rolled the charts back to Sunday, it's around midday UK time, and I'm just going to play it out so you can see what I'm thinking. There's a big imbalance here, which tells me there's no liquidity. So if it hits this, it's going to run up to this point here. So I'm just going to draw this liquidity line in here so you can see where I'm going to be taking profit. You can see that there was a long signal given right here. So the way that this indicator works is you will enter on that long signal and you will put your stop loss behind the trend line. Your take profit is normally, you know, one-to-ones, liquidity pools and stuff like that. Normally I would have entered round here, I would have taken profit here, or I would have taken profit here. But in this case, I saw this big void here. So I just saw price running up to here. So I extended my TP all the way to here and I just let it run. So as I press play, you're going to see how this trade played out real time. So as we're playing, it came down a bit and then it started to push on up. As we come into Monday, it's about 50% on the way to take profit. It's sort of moving down a little bit, take some liquidity from the lows to then push up and head on all the way up to the take profit, which we hit roughly about midday today. Now this trade was super easy to take because all I had to do was set an alert. So in these three dots here, you click add alert to the signaler and you can see here that the settings are all here. You don't really need to change anything unless you want to change the time frame. Now for cryptocurrency, I like to use a 15-minute time frame as it's a nice time frame to get good spreads, to get, you know, realistic daily weekend moves, and all you have to do is click create and all of a sudden you've got the alerts that come through onto your phone, onto your iPad, onto your desktop, and you can have it sent to your email so you don't have to miss any trades here. Now this trade was a 3-to-1, and to put that in monetary terms, if you're risking $1,000, you have just made $3,000. If you're risking 1%, you've just made 3%. So super good profits, very easy to do. Everything was basically automated for me and I just cashed in my profits and went about my day. Now once you've clicked the links in the description below, you'll get taken to the Signaler bot page, and this is where you can see what offers that we have going on or what the monthly subscriptions are. So you can see here that you get a 1-day free trial in the VIP group. Now I'm going to show you this later, but what it is where they give out signals and you can take those signals to make yourself some profit. You can see here the 1 month, 3 month, 1 year for just the indicator system, or you can do the 1 month, 3 month, 1 year for the VIP signals. I myself just go ahead and grab the lifetime bundle because it's just super easy and having access to everything is great. Go ahead and click the lifetime bundle and you will be redirected to this page where you click pay by crypto or pay by card. I chose crypto, and then you can choose what to pay with. I personally chose USDT as it's a stable coin and my money does not fluctuate in value while I'm waiting to pay. Jumping over to the VIP page, you can see here that they do give out signals. This particular one was on Ethereum. It gives you the entry and it gives you the take profits and it gives you the stop loss. So it basically tells you everything that you need to know. So all you need to do is jump over to your MT5, MT4 and plug in the parameters and just reap in the profits. As you can see here, you've made a 40% profit, you've made a 41% profit. As we scroll further up, 229% profit, 199% profit. The numbers just keep flooding in, and it's just so easy to make money with this, guys. So as you can see, we are now on their website. It is a very clean, a very professional website with over 1,500 trusted members. Now that we've jumped over to the website, you can see it's very clean, very professional, with over 1,500 trusted members. It has more YouTube videos for you to watch if you wanted to delve a bit more detail into TheSignaller and how it has helped other people. It shows you that you can get up to 90% accuracy in trend predictions, and it also works across crypto, stocks, and the forex market. Another big thing is that it is real-time alerts with no delays or repainting. Further down, you can see some more results: 247%, 424%, 2,893%. These results are just outrageous. And at the end of the page, it does show you the type of memberships that you can get. Obviously, I ran through this in the Telegram with you. So now that I've shown you everything that you need to know, all the links are in the description below. I have shown you in previous videos how this works on forex pairs, on smaller time frames, on larger time frames, and also on cryptocurrency. So you have everything you need now to make profits in the market. Go ahead, click the like, click the subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get alerted on my next video.